What if your website could actually change the way it talks to visitors depending on who is visiting? Instead of showing everyone the same headline, message, and experience, what if your website could adapt based on visitor behavior, traffic source, or whether someone is visiting for the first time? That's the idea behind ClauSite. ClauSite is an AI-powered website platform built around what it calls a live website, a website that can dynamically adapt its messaging and experience based on the visitor. But is it actually useful, or is it just another AI tool with impressive marketing? Let's take a quick look. ClauSite is an AI website builder focused on personalization and conversions. With a traditional website, you create a page, publish it, and everyone basically sees the same version. But visitors don't always have the same needs. Someone coming from Google might be actively searching for a solution. Someone coming from an advertisement might already know what they're looking for. And someone returning to your website may already understand your product. ClauSite's idea is to make the website respond to these differences. According to ClauSite, its system can use visitor behavior and other signals to dynamically adjust the website's messaging. And that's the main idea behind the platform. The most interesting feature is the live website concept. Instead of treating your website as a completely static page, ClauSite says the page can adapt based on how visitors interact with it. For example, one visitor might quickly scroll through your page, while another carefully reads every section. ClauSite is designed to recognize these different behaviors and adjust the messaging accordingly. It also offers dynamic copy personalization. Instead of manually creating multiple versions of a landing page, the idea is that one page can adapt its messaging for different visitors. For marketers, this could potentially save time and make the experience more relevant. However, these are claims made by ClauSite, so I'd recommend testing the results with your own audience rather than assuming personalization will automatically increase conversions. ClauSite also includes different visitor modes: authority, urgency, empathy, and peer. The idea is simple. Different visitors may respond better to different styles of communication. Some may need more credibility. Others may need reassurance or a stronger reason to take action. ClauSite says its system can identify these patterns and adapt the experience. Another interesting feature is returning visitor intelligence. Imagine someone visits your website today but doesn't purchase. They come back tomorrow. Instead of showing them exactly the same experience, ClauSite says it can recognize returning visitors and adapt the experience accordingly. The concept is basically: first visit, understand the product. Returning visit, move closer to taking action. ClauSite also offers traffic source personalization. Someone arriving from Google may have a different level of awareness than someone discovering your product through Instagram or an advertisement. ClauSite says the same landing page can adapt its messaging depending on where the visitor came from. That could be useful for marketers running multiple traffic campaigns. Another feature is exit intent copy transformation. Instead of simply showing a pop-up when someone is about to leave, ClauSite says the copy on the page itself can change to give the visitor another reason to stay. The platform also promotes a reasoning-based layout engine. The idea is that AI can consider your offer, audience, pricing, objections, and conversion goals when deciding how the page should be structured. You also get a visual drag-and-drop editor, code access, custom domains, SSL, hosting, SEO tools, analytics, and integrations. So ClauSite is trying to provide more than just AI-generated copy, it's aiming to be a complete website building environment. So who would actually benefit from ClauSite? I'd say it's most interesting for people who rely heavily on landing pages and conversions. That includes affiliate marketers, course creators, coaches, agencies, online businesses, entrepreneurs, and marketers running paid traffic. If your website is directly responsible for generating leads or sales, personalization could potentially be useful. But if you're simply building a portfolio, personal website, or basic informational website, you probably don't need all of these advanced features. Now let's talk about pricing. At the time of reviewing ClauSite's partner page, the main offer is listed at $14.97 as a one-time payment. There are also optional upgrades, including Unlimited, Conversion Maximizer, Traffic Blaster, DFY Marketing Suite, and Reseller. These upgrades can increase the overall cost, so make sure you check exactly what's included in the core offer before purchasing. And because software pricing can change, always check the current pricing before making a decision. So, what do I like about ClauSite? The biggest advantage is the personalization concept. Instead of manually creating different experiences for different audiences, ClauSite aims to automate much of that process. It's also focused heavily on conversions rather than simply making websites look good. And the one-time front-end price may be attractive compared with tools that require a monthly subscription. But there are a few things to keep in mind. First, AI won't fix a bad product or a bad offer. Second, AI-generated messaging still needs human oversight. And third, the results need to be tested. ClauSite makes ambitious claims about personalization and conversions, so the best way to judge it is by testing it with your own audience. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews of AI tools, website builders, marketing platforms, and useful software. And if you want to check out ClauSite yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you decide to try it, make sure you check the current pricing and what's included before purchasing. And let me know in the comments. Would you use a website that changes its messaging based on visitor behavior? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.